How to delete Rednote account. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Rednote app and log into your account. After you've logged into your account, click on three lines located on top left corner of your screen. After you've clicked on top left corner of your screen, you'll find all these options. Click on Settings located on bottom left corner of your screen. Then click on Account Security, which is the first option. In here, you'll find Account Cancellation. Click on Account Cancellation. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, keep a dot in Accept Terms and Conditions. Select the reason and then select and submit. After you've submitted, click on Yes, and you'll be logged out and your account will be deleted. That's how to delete Rednote account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.